she get herself tangled up and feel as though me afraid to get her untangled. I don't know why she consistently do herself like this. But I have my good up flaxseed gel here. Yes, in this bottle. It's not trusting me bottle because I wanted the pump. But yeah, me and her today. So today is Saturday, y'all. What y'all doing today? Comment down below. Are y'all washing your hair? As you should wash your hair at least every week. At least that. So as I can see, my ear it is tangled, knotted, because frankly I've been leaving her out. To be honest, or just slap the bonnet over it from time to time and just leave it out. So this is what I'm doing to get the tangle out. So first I'm just saturating it with water. So I make sure I'm wet it up because you can't just go in and start comb out the ear. You literally are gonna pop off the ear. So there are techniques to this retaining length thing because the hair always a grow. You just not retain no length because you just do what you feel like. That can't go work if your goal is length and health. As for me, my goal is length and health. Because ever since I was a child, and used to coach me, well, oh, yeah.
Hey, Jay, you can't grow along here. The Jay, picky. If you them something, let me see here.
And I did a big chop last year, September. And the ear, me I retain length, me hair constantly retain length. And even though me never sleep in a no bonnet, I didn't sleep in any bonnet. But as I said, it's all in the technique. So you see, now it's saturated. I think it's wet enough now, so I just gonna go in with my fingers. I'm not going to use any comb yet. So I'm going on section off. Section the part that I'm going to detangle. Wait, agree you hear this? Lord God, my daughter them always pop them out when she see them when they see them. Me God, may I get look ya. Oh my God, oh my God here. I get my daughter they always a pop them out. Sure, me just do a great here. May I embrace all age. This is a sign that you're gonna grow long hair, natural hair in 2026. So all you need to do each time you go to wash your hair, y'all, get your flaxseed gel or get something slippery. But I do recommend flaxseed because it literally melts the coils in your 4C hair. Especially if you're 4C. Use flaxseed or use some condition. It's all in the technique, y'all. You're not doing the right thing. If you do it every time before you wash your hair, you will see growth. If you moisturize your hair every time you go to comb it, you will see growth. Make sure so you saturate the hair really well with the gel. So the little curls they might pop up. And I just normally run my fingers through whenever I come up on a stop. I know that hey, you need to pull that apart. So this is how I detangle. So it's time to comb out the hair. Now, this is what you want to achieve. Once you go in with your wide tooth comb, you comb out the hair. You want to make sure that there is little to no hair in the comb. If you see that, then you know say, oh, you're doing something right. But if you don't go in with a flaxseed gel or anything that's of slippery consistency, condition or something, and you just go in, you just start rake the hair and break it off, then you know say, girl, you're in the wrong. You feel me? So that's what you want to achieve on wash days. Little to minimal breakage. Okay? Yes. Alright, so we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna go wash the hair, so come along with me. If you reach this far in the video, make sure to give me a like. Hit subscribe. It will help me. YouTube go only push up my video if you like the video. And subscribe and leave a comment down below and let me know if you've been trying to grow your natural hair. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so this is the amount of hair that came out of my entire head. This part came out of the middle section of my hair, so obviously I need to give it in here some protein. So So now I'm gonna wash this here. Come on with me if you wanna. Realistically, our hair grows every single month. We just ain't retaining length. You just want to do what you want to do and think, oh, lo and behold, you're going to look like Rapunzel. No, dear, you have to put in the work. I've been preaching this. I am a living proof. I've been told, scrutinized for my short, natural hair. But I'm a living testament. I've been retaining length, yeah, retaining length. Oh God, me hear a girl. I'm back, y'all. So I did pat my hair dry and I did go in with some hair growth butter. You didn't see that part, but I applied it. I promise. Now I'm going to do a little style because I have some videos to record because I'm trying to grow this channel, okay? So it's going to be something really, really simple. And then afterwards, I'm just going to plait my hair, put on my bonnet this time around, and go to my bed. So I'm going to let y'all watch how I style this, and then yeah, comment down below and let me know if you like the style or if this is something you would try because it's pretty simple, minimalistic. So if you're hurrying and you don't have any time to detangle your 4C here and you're hurrying because you know you're not supposed to detangle your 4C here in a hurry, right? So you could just do this style. Easy peasy, 1 2 3. To do this style, you're gonna need hair gel. In my case, I'm using hair wax, okay? Because your girl don't have no gel, so I work with the wax. And then get your tail comb, get an edge brush or a toothbrush. Use whatever you have. And then we're gonna do some swoops at the front, okay? So we're gonna do about 4 swoops, right? And leave a little piece at the side there. It's gonna curl up, so it's gonna look all cute and whatever. So ensure that when you're doing the swoop, use the rat tail comb to disperse the wax or gel throughout the strands, okay? And then you go in with the brush afterwards. So you do the other side, then you go in with your headband, whatever color you have, and then you just give it a nice little tie at the back and then you just sleek it up. Okay, so just slide up the headband, let it fall where you would like. Okay, and then as you can see, I'm just going over those swoops with the brush just to make sure it's neat looking, uniform and whatever. And then I'm just fixing my fro. Okay, so yeah, quick, simple. Yeah, to spruce this style up, you can even use the extreme gel and curl up the entire 4C head. But as I said, I just have the wax for now. So this is the final results, y'all. I hope you enjoy this video. Comment down below if this is a style you would try in a hurry. Bye.